Looking for the best oil pastels? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 oil pastels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Crayola, 28 color oil pastels. Not to be confused with the brand's iconic crayons, Crayola oil pastels are a step up from the average childhood crayon. Smooth application helps children learn the basics of color blending without messy paints and cleanup. Adult artists appreciate them for sketches, studies, and general practice. Crayola quality bargain pastels that pack more punch than their standard set of crayons. Pigmentation is enough for children, but many buyers lament it for permanent applications. At number 2. Pentel Arts, 50 color oil pastels set. 50 colors for under $10 for a pastel used by working professionals. Smaller build means better detail work for those working on small projects. Wide range of colors with no duplicates, with millions of possibilities for blending new ones, too. A brand name oil pastel loved by parents with artistic children and professional pastel artists alike. Smaller tips may be too little for large projects and filling bigger areas. At number 1. Sennelier, 24 color oil pastels set. A leading brand for oil pastel work, and for good reason. Smaller set than many bargain brands, but mixes and adapts to nearly limitless possibilities. Buyers appreciate the performance, citing the creamy and opaque finish that lives up to the lofty expectations. Lauded by professional artists for smooth and opaque application, an unmatched light fast rating, and oil paint-like finish without the mess. Expensive. Start with a bargain brand if you're new to the pastel medium. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.